Hey travelers, so it's come to that time where I have to renew my passport. Dun dun dun. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to do that. So follow along and let's get started. There are 3 methods in which you can renew an adult passport. First, you can mail it in. Second, you can go to the post office or a third-party provider. And a new option through the State Department where you can renew it online. An exciting new way in which to renew it is online through the State Department, and we're going to show you how to do that right here. The first thing to renew online is you're going to go to travel.state.gov. Then read the rules and restrictions to make sure you're eligible to renew online. Then the process is pretty simple. You're going to need some information from your old passport. Then you're going to fill out the entire application online. Next, you're going to have someone else take a picture with your cell phone, no selfies, and upload the photo. Lastly, pay the $130 fee with a credit or debit card, and you're all done. The whole process is really simple and can be done from the comfort of your own home, or better yet, couch. Now, I'm going to have Matt walk you through some of the steps online.
Hey everyone, let's get down to the details. So once you're on travel.state.gov, you're going to want to scroll down about halfway and click on this blue link. Then it's going to take you to a page where you can sign in to your account, or if you don't have one yet, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and sign up for a new account. On this page, simply review the policies and restrictions and then click the box to agree to them and hit next. Next, you need to enter in all your personal information and then at the bottom hit create account. Now after this step, they're going to send you an email within 24 hours. I actually got mine within just a couple hours. It's going to have a link for verification so you can complete setting up your account. Now once all of that is set up, you can log back into mytravel.gov and you're going to see a link that says Renew Passport. Alright, here we go. We are in the online passport renewal portal and now we're going to start a new application. The first page has a bunch of eligibility requirements. So make sure you read through all of the bullets, and if you can answer yes to all of them, then you can continue this step. So you're going to simply hit yes and then next. Scroll down through the Privacy Act information, click the box at the bottom, and then click next again. Alright, on this page you're going to enter in all your personal information for your new passport. Now you need your old passport so you can enter in your passport book number and also the issue and expiration date. If you have a passport card and you want to renew that as well, you can also enter the information on this page. Otherwise, just leave it blank and click next. Next up, we're going to review the payment info. $130 for the passport. Processing is free unless you want it expedited, then it's an extra $60. And then also shipping is free unless you want it expedited as well. Alright, stick with me, we're almost done. On this page, you're going to add your identity information, such as name, social security number, and birth date. Also, any other names that you may have gone by before, such as maiden names. And it also asks for other info like your height, weight, hair color, eye color, and your occupation. You're also going to enter in your mailing address to receive the passport. Now on to some fun. This is a game changer. We actually get to take and upload our own photo for the passport. This saves a lot of time and effort and the cost of getting a passport photo taken somewhere else. However, there are several rules and guidelines for taking a correct passport photo. So be sure to take the time to scroll through all the rules, which they lay out pretty clearly. And at the bottom, they also give you examples of correct and incorrect photos. The highlights are, have someone else take a clear photo of your face on a white background. You cannot be wearing any glasses in the picture, and also make sure there are no filters on your camera. Once the photo is uploaded, the website will automatically crop the photo for you. It will also give you a green box around your photo if it is an accepted photo. The last thing to do is to pay your passport fees with a credit or debit card. Alright, that's about it. Pretty simple. Once you submit your application, you'll get a tracking number, and you can also return to this page on mytravel.gov and check the status of your application as it's processing. Hope this was helpful. Now back to Brooke.
Thanks, Matt. See, I told you guys, we filled out everything and submitted in less than 30 minutes. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. Stay tuned for the next episode. We're going to show you how to renew a child's passport, which is a little bit more complicated. So you're going to want to watch. Stay tuned. Bye, guys.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more American Travel Family Adventures.
Do that. So follow along.